We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2021 Harley-Davidson Low Rider S. This one is in vivid black. So we have the dual disc brakes in the front. It also has ABS. Has the 114 cubic inch engine. This one has the San Diego Customs rider pegs. Also has a saddleman seat, extremely comfy. And the last thing on here is these swept back handlebars. We run on a fob, we are keyless, and our miles are extremely low. We're at 524. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.